everyone, it's Jane. I wanted to pop in and show you this gorgeous little powder room. So we have finished a lot of projects in this home, and today we're here just to hang up pictures. But the moment I walked in and saw how this wallpaper looked hung up, I thought you might want to see it too. It turned out so beautifully, and it's just the thing for this teeny tiny little bathroom off of the main level. So we're gonna hang something up over, they have a very cool music poster that's gonna go over the toilet, basically on the only wall that's available. We don't wanna cover up too much of the wallpaper, and when we were looking at this poster, they asked, should we have it rematted to match? And you know, sometimes I think matching's a little overrated. So we just left it as is, and I can't wait to show you how it's gonna look back here. So we're just hanging it in the middle back here. It's such a fun dragonfly poster. Cloud Cult and the Minnesota Orchestra. This is something that they already had in their collection. So I'll see you next time.